Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the most interesting travel bags I have ever seen. They're from the brand Cadence, and if you don't know Cadence, I've done a review of their other product. They are the capsules. These little beauties. If you don't know, the capsules are these modular, magnetized, really convenient and smartly designed travel containers that obviously come in a bunch of different colors. And now that the brand has made all of these different sizes and colors, they're moving on to new products, and that is the new parcel system. So this is a parcel right here. It is their new travel bag, and let's just say it was unexpected. I have 3 of them. You can buy them in a set of 1, 2, or 3. This cost me $180. Which is crazy. I would never have justified these if I wasn't going to film a video and had a YouTube channel. So if you are looking to spend money on these, let me tell you my thoughts. I've taken them on a trip, and there's some stuff that's good about it and there's some stuff that's bad about it. And it really depends on what you're looking for and if you really want to drop that coin. I will say, creating a new hardware product in 2024 is incredibly difficult and expensive. I applaud small companies and startups for trying to innovate in the physical product space, especially when there are so many knockoff rip-off brands and the amount of time and money it takes just to get a manufacturing partner and starting to create a new product is a huge expense when you don't even know if it's going to be a success. So I want to say to the Cadence team, love you, love supporting you. The parcels are not my favorite, but I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to show you what makes them so interesting. I was on a fireside chat with their team, and I was listening in of why they created these. Just from the capsules alone, clearly they do something different. These capsules are so well designed, and they're such a smart idea because you can fit a ton of product in a small, really convenient package. Now, they have some flaws, and I have a review on these, and I will answer any comments you want. But by and large, I've used them on so many trips this year, and I'm a huge fan of this product. So when I was on this fireside chat with the founder and the design team, they specifically mentioned wanting to create a bag that was different than everything else out on the market because they just traditionally have so many different pain points. They're flimsy, they're cheap, the zipper always gets stuck or breaks, or they're made of non-recycled material or just really crappy material that will not last for the amount of trips and the amount of time that a bag should last. The other thing they wanted to tackle was the ability to actually unpack and live with these bags when you get to your destination, not just transporting products. The reason why they're called the parcels and the reason why they have this very interesting design is because you can actually open them up and connect them together. So here we have one parcel right here. It's got this removable strap. These are magnets. The entire thing is clear, and it's this really thick, clear plastic that I have no doubt will last for many, many travels. So the way that it works is all you have to do is open it up by releasing the magnets, and then you get like a little bento box of your things, and you can leave this open when you get to your destination. So when you have multiple of these, the idea is they should stick together. It's hard doing it in the air. They should stick together and create like a tray system that you can leave out on a counter or by the sink or at the vanity, and that way you can prop up all of your products inside, and it's really easy to organize them and use them as opposed to digging through your dirty makeup bag to try and find that product at the bottom of the bag. So obviously when you have all 3, this is quite a lot of storage. You can put a lot of things, and what I really like about this idea is the fact that it makes it a lot easier to organize your vanity items when you travel, and you're able to just mentally split them up into different compartments, which I think helps make you a conscious packer with like what goes where and why. So this concept is great. Loving the concept. Big fan of the concept. The fact that the magnets stick to the top and they are very strong, like this is not going anywhere. I love that. Zippers break all the time and they will not last, or they'll get misthreaded and then you're screwed forever. So everything about this bag feels high quality. My issue is literally the price and then all of the weird little details that come along with that price in mind. So one bag is $65, and like I said, 3 bags is $180. The idea is if you want to get to your destination and leave this open, you should be able to just pop the sucker and leave it open, but it does not stay open on its own. You have to have a second parcel so that way they can magnetize together and stay open together, which when you do this, it works kinda. I just went on a trip recently and I used these, and I really like the fact that I could organize everything, but my first issue is the actual magnets themselves are not that strong. So they're staying together right now. Most of the time they were not staying together, or one would bend like this and you would get this gap that then it would slowly release over time. The issue with this is because inside of these magnetized parts, I looked with a flashlight and there's only 3 magnets. The entire thing is not a magnet. So it is just not that strong, especially because this clear plastic like PVC material is actually very sticky with each other. So here, let me show you what I mean by that. When you go to stick these bags together, they're gonna be on a table, obviously, but the plastic like literally sticks. So if you're trying to get them perfectly in line to get the magnets lined up, you do need to like think about it and get them to line up, because shifting them up and down is very difficult because of the friction that the actual material creates with each other. So when you do get them open and you do get them connected, it's great. I really like this on my trip, especially because I'm not even somebody who wears makeup very often. And if you did, I totally see why being able to see all of your routine right at the top would be really useful, especially if you want to stand products up. But then you actually go to pack the bag before your trip. And the first thing that I noticed is that these are a lot of the capsules that I use on like a trip, even a longer trip. And I cannot fit any more, and I have one more that I normally bring with me. So for example, if you guys remember from my Cadence capsule review, I have my DOP kit here, which a lot of people did not know what a DOP kit is. It's just my toiletry kit, but that's what I call it. I thought that's what you call these things. And it's got 2 compartments, which I love this bag so much. And you can see my extra capsule floating around there that does not fit in the parcel. If I unzip the top, this is the compartment where I put all of my capsules, and I can fit all of these capsules that I put in the parcel plus some in this bag, which already is an issue for me because now I have to be a lot more careful about what I bring, especially if I don't want to mix and match items like I have all of my tech items here, or if I just want to bring one bag. Now all of a sudden, for basically the same size-ish, this one's thicker, I'll give them that. This one's thicker. For the same general like vibe and area in my bag, I can fit a lot more in this bag than I can in this, and this was half the price. So that's one thing I'm not a huge fan of. I will say the fact that it's clear makes it very helpful for travel, which is great, but then on the flip side, it gets dirty. I clean all of my things. I keep my capsules really nice. Like, I'm not a very dirty person. I don't really travel with makeup, and if you know anybody who travels with makeup, that shit is everywhere. So could you imagine your dirty makeup bag, but it's clear and you can see everything? Because this is me using these parcels for one weekend trip, and look at it already. You can already see, and even in the reflection, a lot of like the grime and things that are kind of on the inside of this bag already, which it feels very anti-Cadence because their things are so Instagram friendly and so aesthetic while being functional. The clear plastic, I get there's trade-offs and it is easy to clean, so that is a benefit. You're gonna travel once with these and you're going to see the fact that you have traveled, so just prepare for that. Something else that I thought was really interesting is obviously they're designed for your capsules. I use one for tech products, and then I use another for anything I don't put my capsules and all of my weird items, which I will say I was able to fit everything that I normally bring, but you do have to do quite a lot of like adjusting to get this to close most of the time because the bag is actually pretty thin. So if you have different sized items, you need to play like Jenga jigsaw puzzle a little bit to get it to fit so you can close this securely. Something else that's interesting, especially just because this is the same company, you can put all these capsules in here, which we like that. But when you get to your destination and you want to stand the capsules up, and I'm not even using the large tall capsule, if I stand all of these up, you cannot close the bag. So I have mediums and then I have 2 smalls stacked on top. So if I try to close this, it will not close. Like it is not going to because they're just too tall, which I get that they're supposed to be laying down and everything fits together, but that would have been a nice little addition to be able to put them either way and it would close, especially because you really don't need that much more room to make that happen, but on its own, it's not going to happen. One thing to note with the tech accessories, I travel with a hard drive because I edit these YouTube videos, and the magnets will be fine with any tech accessory. I haven't had a problem with my hard drives. I haven't had anything else stick to it. So you can put kind of whatever you want in here. And maybe we should just get very creative about what goes in these bags. It brings me back to my larger opinion about this system. I applaud Cadence for trying something new and for making a high quality product. I think the magnets could be stronger, and I think that the material, something could have been done to maybe not make it so sticky, or maybe make the bags frosted so you can still see inside but you don't see the mess. Like, I feel like there's a bunch of little tweaks that could make these really, really shine, especially different colors. I just don't like this like off-white, beige, green color. Like, God, in the future I would love for different colors of these, because if you fix these small quirks and in some cases flaws, the $65 a bag price turns into a decision that makes a little bit more sense because you are getting such a thoughtful product that really is interesting and does make your life easier. Because right now, with all of the current flaws and weird quirks, you are really just paying $180 for the bags to open like bento boxes and connect to each other when you get to your destination, which I do like this and I will keep using these because I spent so much money on them. But if I hadn't, and if I didn't do this for my hobby, then I probably would not have bought these or kept them. So in summary, we love Cadence. We love you guys, love to see something new. I think that a couple things could be tweaked and these would be a huge seller, especially if they were $15 to $25 cheaper per bag, or maybe the bundle was cheaper, because right now it is just it's a hefty lift. If you are a fan of your capsules, if you're a fan of Cadence and you are looking for something different and you are looking for something very modular, then I will say, you probably, after watching this review, you know what's what, you know the experience. I don't think that you will be mad about this. I think you just have to know what you're getting into before you get into it. So with that, that is my review of the parcel system. I'm super curious to see the other products that Cadence comes out with. They tease the fact that some things might be coming out later this year, which I'm so excited to see. I want to see accessories for the capsules. Like I want to spray one or I want a pump or something. I'm very curious to see where the company goes and all the new other ideas that they have. So if you guys have any questions, of course, leave them in the comments below. If you liked this video and you got to this point, please hit subscribe. I would love to see you again. I do a bunch of videos like this and a bunch of other different videos, and I'm just trying it out and we're going to see what sticks. So with that, that is my video for this week, and I will see you guys in the next one.